Good morning. Welcome in the class of how to analyze World Bank country-wise data and analysis of Indian agriculture sector. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to use World Bank data country-wise. With regard to I have picked up India, you may pick up any country and you may pick up any sector. So World Bank is having data of 264 countries on 1429 indicators, and that too from the year 1960 onwards. This is a good resource, a golden opportunity for management students. But there are certain challenges with this. So the data is huge, it's presented in a very complicated manner. So there are too many indicators, there is a missing data, and data is presented in a wider as well as a bigger format. So these are certain challenges with regard to World Bank data resources. But how we can use them for decision making purpose? So first we need to classify the data under different heads or the desired head. After classification of the data, we need to identify suitable indicators that could be used for the purpose of analysis. We need to rearrange the data in a taller or a narrow or a long format. Data verification and editing is also required. Sometimes we have some missing values, so they need to be taken care whether these values are to be removed or we want to replace these values. So for the purpose of this class, I have divided the World Bank data into the under different heads: agriculture and banking, business, culture, defense, economics, education, employment, environment, and lot many others. So the entire data has been presented into a different views. So let me to show. I want to analyze Indian agriculture sector. I want to show the performance of Indian agriculture sector from the year 1961 to 2016 with the help of this kind of a dashboard. So here this is a population of the country, which in 1961 was around 45 crores, is in 2016 is now almost thrice 132 crores. So the area under cultivation remain same, somewhere around 60%. The food production index have almost from 31 to have gone up to 44, so almost more than 4 times. The livestock index has again gone up by around 6 times, but at the same time with the similar land area we are feeding more population, producing more food. The livestock production is also higher, but at the same time agriculture percentage contribution to GDP is declining. It means the industry is growing with a higher pace. Now the thing is, once we download the data from the World Bank data resources or World Bank data sources, so how to use those data for preparing this kind of the visualization? Generally, once you download the data, so you will get this kind of the metadata view, and once you go to this data view, this is our data of country-wise India, which I have downloaded from the World Bank. Now there are 1429 indicators. As I communicated earlier, the data is huge. There are huge number of the indicators, and out of which I need to use only a few. So what is the step? How we can do this? The step number 1, we need to divide them into our different sectors. I prepared this, so I picked a few indicators. I have picked up all the indicators and created some heads and divided those indicators into those heads, for example, and then I posted them here. So for example, with regard to agriculture, I want to use few indicators. So I picked up, okay, let me to show you the final view of the sheet which I have used for preparing this kind of the visualization. For this visualization, I have prepared an underlying sheet first. So this is a view of my final sheet. This is a year, this is a population, agriculture land as a percentage of land area, food production index, livestock production index, agriculture value added percentage of the GDP. So all these indicators are available under the data which I have downloaded, but I need to rearrange this data. Think how I will prepare my Excel file for the kind of analysis. It's easy. I am just opening a new sheet for the purpose of demonstration. So first I picked up the year 1960 to 2018. I made a Control C, go to next sheet. I make a column here, year. Let me to increase the size of this sheet also. So I picked my cursor here, right click, okay. I have to control C, go to this sheet, right click, paste special, transpose. So this is my first data which I need. Oh, once I downloaded this, pasted this data, this has been read as a number. This has not been read as a text. I need to convert number sorted as text. So I want to convert it into a number. So once it will be number, it will be automatically right aligned. I need to do this for all rest of the cells. So I'm just copy and pasting this, and afterward what I need to do is I need to again convert this all into as number. So my all this years has been converted into a number format. Okay, so this is my sheet. I already have created some sectors. I added this column. After adding this column, I have picked up those indicator and named them. So next I want to, this sector column was not a part of the original sheet. It has been created by me only. So I looked up those indicators. Next is a population data. So I picked up from 1960 onwards to 2018. Say Control C, go to my next sheet. I make it a next header, population. Okay. I right click. Again I need to go back, say Control C, here right click, paste special, transpose. Okay, so I got a next column. Now what next I need from this sheet is go back to the agriculture sector. This is my agriculture. This is overlapping economic as well as agriculture. So I want agriculture land area. 1960 is empty, data is not given for this year. So even this data is given only 2016, 17, 18 is again not given. Control C, go to this sheet, right click, paste special, transpose. Okay, I don't want to type the header by my own. Go back. This is agriculture land, copy, Control V, and then home. I make my text wrapping on. What next I need? I need food production index. Control C, again Control V, again header on. Now this is data is again not given for 1960, and this is again given 2016 only, 17, 18 not given. Right click, paste special, transpose. Okay, this is food production index. What else I need from this data? I need agriculture contribution towards the GDP. Right click, okay, wrap text, done. Now this is a contribution towards the GDP. If you find the contribution towards GDP is decreasing from 9, paste special, transpose. In 1960 it was 41%, and presently it has gone down to 14%. Though our agriculture food index, production index from 32, it have gone up to 144, almost 4 times. Though agriculture food production is increasing with the same land area to feed more population, but at the same time it indicates that the contribution of industry towards the GDP is growing faster vis-a-vis of the contribution of the agriculture. Apart from this, what else I need is a livestock index. Okay, Control C, I pasted it here, livestock index. Now pasted my data here. Okay, this is again available 2016. Control C, here transpose, paste special, transpose. Okay, now I need to make sure this data is available in a next step is a data editing or classification. I don't have for 1960 few years, so I'm deleting this row. I need to make sure my all data cells are filled, no empty cells. So again for 2017-18 I don't have a data of all the cells, so I'm deleting these cells. So now I have this fine data with me which represent the Indian agriculture sector, and with this kind of sector I have used the software named as a Tableau. I have given the input of this file, and where I prepare sheets like area under cultivation, I use area chart, population, again area chart, agriculture contribution towards GDP, area chart, food production index, a line chart has been used, live production index, again a line chart has been used, and based upon the same a dashboard has been created representing the Indian agriculture sector performance analysis from 1961 to 2016. And I can again go ahead with the story, which is might useful for this kind of analysis. So viewer, I am very sure that with the help of this you are able to make sure how to utilize the or how to use the data resources of World Bank for the purpose of analysis, either in a software like Tableau or any other software. So thank you. You please subscribe this channel to get more updates. Thank you very much for viewing.